Hi guys, welcome back to FABReviews. A lot of you have been asking whether you're going to get the macOS 9 update to your phones or not, especially let's say the macOS 8 owners. Now this is another website that they have, which is an Honors developer website. The link should be in the description down below. So it allows you to actually update to any of the beta versions that get released, i.e. Android 15 beta is actually macOS 9. Right now they've only released it for only two phones, which is Magic 6 Pro and the Magic V2 Fold, the foldable one. I've been waiting personally on this one as well, but it never came through, so I just didn't bother actually waiting for another one because there were some issues with the older version. Over here you actually see which versions are actually applicable on the Magic 6 Pro. You just need to create an account with this, and you can even use your Honor ID, and that should allow you to log in, and that's the other account that you can actually use. This update usually works fairly straightforward, nothing really sophisticated. If you click on the images, it will actually start downloading the version, and over here we've got the instructions that we can use how to download. You will need to put your phone into developers mode, and then go into the settings, activate the ADB option. It would download the app, which is the app which is called the USB debugging app. It's the Honor Suite. It's part of the Honor Suite, and then it would actually start working. Here I'm actually showing you guys how to actually put the phone into developer mode. I mean, everybody knows it these days. But again, a quick instruction for yourself. So you go into About, you go into your build number as on the screen. I'm going to zoom in for you guys. So you tap on it 7 times and then a pop-up comes up. You're in developer mode and boom, it starts working. Then you need to go into settings, and the settings that they've been talking about is USB debugging. You need to activate that. And then you've got to allow ADB debugging in charge only mode. That's just as a backup, as a safety. Because you're playing with the ROM of the phone. This update should actually get you to a point where your software will actually start installing via the system, and you guys don't have to worry too much about it. I mean, how it's done is a zip file that you need to download, and then you need to save the file in the correct pathway. I mean, it says relative path on PC. It's in double quotes, highly likely. You have to write it in the exact manner as it is. If you tap on the icon again, like I said, it'll start downloading the file over there, as you guys can see. If I tap on details just to show you, it says OEM beta. I don't need it because this is a Magic 7 Pro. But this is just a quick gist of it. So you guys need to keep it on this website. If any of the beta versions actually get released, then you check on this website. I mean, if you guys can't actually wait for Honor to push the updates through, then this is the quickest way to actually get an update on any Honor phone. I'm surprised not many people actually share this thing, but yeah, it's fairly straightforward. So you download the file, save it into as relative path on the PC, then unzip the file. Then you need to make sure that the pathway is as relative path software and then the tool's name. It should be like ****, like DSU, PKG, and tool. And that should be where the file gets saved. And then you run the script, which is it's a Python script. So when you run it, highly likely when you run it, it's going to use the Windows shell, or it's going to use probably Honor's own proprietary software because the ADB debugging is activated. And then it's going to run the script highly likely on the phone, and then it's going to start downloading it. I haven't personally done one of these, but this is just an overview to give you a feedback and a step-by-step. Over here, they're just giving you some instructions that your feedback option should be activated. I wouldn't really recommend if you want to, because this intelligent diagnosis basically tracks every single thing on your phone. It's basically for them to actually test, and you're the lab rat. And then they test every aspect of your phone. Now, this is all in a nutshell, and hopefully this helps those who are in need. And I'll see you guys on the next one. All the best.